I just finished my exam and I'm with Kobe and Matt, and we're about to play some tennis.
But you just like charge them all.
Sit! Good boy. So we played with Kobe for like an hour to wear him out. Now he's napping and we're gonna go grocery shopping. We've had no groceries for like the past few days, so we're probably gonna go to Target and Whole Foods. Hello, it's Tuesday. I'm about to go on a run right now with Kiana and Yubin. I'm kind of scared because I haven't run in like 2 weeks, but we'll see how it goes. Walking home from Lab right now, and I picked up some boba on the way.